Hello. Now that we have a simple app up and running, now what we want to do is put in a push button to make the text box do something. Now, the push button requires a different thing. It requires a command, and I'll show you what that means in a second. But I can do push button, and I need to tell it where it goes, app, and then in the app, um, let's have a text, and let's have it say push me. And it always needs us to have a command. Let's call that command pushy. So a command goes up to a definition. So we need a definition called pushy that does something. Right now I'm just going to say pass, which is just going to let this call the function, but then the function doesn't actually do anything. So I'm going to come up here, see how it has a button called push me. I push on it and nothing happens. Now we could make something happen, and we probably should because we want programs that do stuff. So let's take whatever in the text box and make it do something. To do that, we have to save this text box as a variable. Let's call it texty. Uh, and so we can say um, texty.get. And we can save that as a new text. So if I have text, then we need to call it, tell it where we want to put it on the app, and then we're calling this variable texty, and it gets whatever's in that box. So I can erase this and say, I love Pokemon, and then when I push the button, it will create I love Pokemon beneath it. And if I wanted to continue to push the button, you can express all your love for the Pokemon that you want. That's great. Now, if by chance you don't want to keep creating something below and you want to replace the text that's on the top, at the top we have a text that says my first GUI writing. If we call this something else, uh, we can say top writing or something. Uh, then what we could do is we could just say top writing uh, dot set. It's going to be, it's going to get the text there. I think I have the right parentheses. And so now when I run it, I can say, I love Pokemon. And now it just replaces the top with that. Um, with that. And if you continue to push it, it doesn't keep making new ones because it just keeps replacing the one that we have. We could, if we modify it, we love Minecraft, and it would change it to that. So it'll keep doing it, and it keeps circulating as whenever we push the button.